Hey everyone, welcome to my classroom. I'm finally getting around to filming the tour. So let's go and I'll show you everything that I have. Behind my desk is our word wall, which we are slowly building. I, in the past, had a whiteboard and I would just write on the whiteboard, but I thought this is the next best thing. I just kind of wrote directly on the brown paper. And then beside my desk, we have another exit door that we don't often use. And then this over here is our math wall / right now it's the language arts wall. So right now we just kind of have some anchor charts up there based on what we're learning. And then just below that, I have some of my flexible seating right now, some pillows, a small rocking chair, and then I've gotten these 2 seats from Lakeshore Learning. And then just right here to the left of that is the Daily 5 board where the students sort of pick and choose what they want to do for Daily 5 for the week. And I've actually made a separate video on that, and I will try to link that down below as well. Here's another piece of flexible seating. I've gotten a couple of these off of Lakeshore Learning, and the other 2, I think the blue ones I got off of Amazon. But they are really awesome. The students really love sitting on them. And then just above that, I've just got some math games and math resources for the students. And I don't really want to film too close to my Words Their Way or my self-regulation board just for student names, but I have my Words Their Way board here. It's a spelling program that I'll probably go in more depth in a separate video, but that is all up there, and it will let the students know what groups they're in and what jobs they need to do. And then we also have the self-regulation board, and the students can let me know how they're feeling each day or at any point of the day. Thanks for watching. I really enjoyed putting my classroom together. I feel like there's still little things that I kind of want to change and add as the year goes along. But if you have any questions or anything in my room, please let me know. I will be filming other things as the year progresses, my classroom management strategies, my flexible seating. If there's anything you saw in my room that you'd like me to go more in depth about, definitely let me know below, and I will see you guys in the next one. See you later.